So in this video we are going to now see about the operators that we frequently use in C. So again we are using here def C++, and we begin with operators. So writing here in this video we will see about starting with arithmetic operators. So what are the arithmetic operators? Here we will see about your use of plus, minus, multiplication. For that we are use asterisk sign, and slash for and then after that percent sign. So what is the use of these all operators? We will see this one by one. So let's begin with a small program. Simply we will do some arithmetic operation here. So let's begin with some variables. Like we are taking some a variables, a is equals to 10, and now taking here another variable, b is equals to 20, and one another variable c we are taking, and initial value we are putting here 0. Means we will do some calculation on a and b, and we will put the answer in c. So there are three variables, a, b and c. So in c we are going to put a plus b. That's simply addition of these two numbers, and again for subtraction we are taking some another variable. Like suppose we are taking s for subtraction, and we for division suppose we are taking here d for division, and one is for multiplication. For m we are taking, just for understanding purpose we are taking some different variables, or otherwise I could do on the same variable. One means we will print all the variables. Print all the variables. That is why I am taking different variables. Okay, so let's continue. C is equals to a plus b. Again we are doing s is equals to, we are just minus from a minus or b minus, just do it b minus a, so that the result will come in positive. And after that we will do here d is equals to a multiply b. For that we are using multiplication, means this is for multiplication, we are using for multiplication. And after that we are using putting m is equals to, just we are doing what, b divided by a. What it will do? It will give you the quotient. It will return you quotient. If you divide any number, suppose we are dividing here 20, b is with 10. So what will the quotient? The quotient will be your 2. 10 divided by 20 divided by 10. So 10 2s are 20. So the result will be 2. 2 will be stored in m. Okay, finally one more variable I have not taken. Take one more variable for r. Suppose r is equals to 0, and we are putting here r is equals to b divided by, again we are using 10. So here it is called, percent is called here your modulus operator also. Modulus operator, what does it do? It will give you the returns remainder. Okay, so what will be the remainder? Sorry, a b divided by a. So 20 will be divided by 10. So what will be the remainder? So remainder will come 0. It will display you 0. So here first plus is your addition, this is your subtraction, this is your multiplication. I am writing here also for addition. It is for your subtraction. We can write here subtraction, and here it is for your multiplication. This is for quotient. This is for your modulus operator for remainder purpose. So now we will print all the result. We can print in all the result in same line also. So we are writing here printf, because we have taken here integer. So what we will use the conversion character? Yes, percent %d. So we will use here percent %d, and after that whatever variable you have used you can put here. How many variables you have used? 1 2 3 4 5. So you will use here 5% like percent %d, again percent %d, percent %d, percent %d, because here we have to display 5 different variables. So 5 different variables we are using here percent %d. So first variable is your C is for your addition, then your S for your subtraction, D is for your multiplication, M is for giving you the quotient, and finally R is giving you the remainder. Fine. Okay, so we can give we can put some more space also if you want, otherwise it will give you one space. I have already given you one space. If you want to give, you can give \t. If you want give 5 space, you can give \t. So I'm not giving here, just I want, because I want to see the result only. Fine. So what we will do now, we will compile it. Just we come here and compile it. Compiled. So it is showing some error, so we'll just check where it is showing. Okay, because we have used here returns, so we will write here return 0, because here we have used int main, so we will use here return 0. Now compile it again, once again. Okay, here semicolon is missing, we will give here semicolon, and now we will compile it. That's all. So see, the result is showing here 30, 10, 200, 2 and 0. 30, 10, 200, 2 and 0. Just we am writing here 30, 10, 200, 30. It is giving you 30. It is giving you 10. It is giving you 200. It is giving here 2. And here it is giving you 0. Fine. So if you will check it, the answer will be same. So I hope you can, for your convenience, we can run it again and you can see the result. 30, 10, 200, 2, 0. Fine. 30, 10, 200, 2 and 0. Fine. So this is your arithmetic operator we can use. So just keep it in your mind, the difference between quotient and your modulus operator, because it is usually asked in your exam, and we will see many more operations of modulus operator in further. So fine, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.